In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and approve a timesheet in payroll. We're going to walk through the process in a simple, clear way so you can enter an employee's hours accurately and save the timesheet with confidence. This is a basic task, but it's an important one because timesheets directly affect payroll calculations. So taking a moment to review each detail carefully can help prevent mistakes later on. To begin, open the payroll area of your system and navigate to timesheets. This is where you can view and manage employee time entries for specific pay periods. If you're working with multiple payroll tasks, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct section before continuing, especially if your system includes similar options for scheduling or attendance. Once you're on the timesheets page, click Add Timesheet. This will open the form where you can create a new timesheet entry. At this stage, you're starting a fresh record, so make sure you're adding the timesheet for the correct person and the correct period before entering any hours. Next, select the employee name. After that, choose the appropriate pay period. This step is especially important because the pay period determines when those hours will be counted in payroll. If the wrong pay period is selected, the hours may not appear where you expect them to, so it's always worth double checking before moving on. After selecting the employee and pay period, enter the daily working hours. Fill in the hours for each day as needed, making sure the information matches the employee's actual time worked. Accuracy matters here, so take a quick moment to review the entries once they've been added. If your organization follows specific payroll policies, this is also a good time to make sure the recorded hours align with those requirements. When everything looks correct, click Approve or Save, depending on the option available in your system. Saving the timesheet records the entry, while approving it may also confirm that it's ready for payroll processing. Before you finish, it can be helpful to do one final scan of the details so you know the timesheet has been submitted correctly. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to timesheets, added a new timesheet, selected the employee and pay period, entered the daily hours, and saved or approved the record. Once you've done it a few times, this process becomes very quick and routine.